If you want to know more about real estate in Minnesota, stay with me.
Welcome to Minnesota Fine Living with Lana Kalinowski. Thinking about selling your home? Before you get started, let's clear up some common misconceptions that could be holding you back. In this video, we're exposing 5 sellers' myths to help you make smarter decisions and get the most out of your sale. Let's get started. Myth number 1. A for sale sign is enough to sell my home? Some sellers think putting up a sign is all they need to do. Truth. While a sign is a great start, effective marketing is a key. Listing your home online, hosting open houses, and leveraging social media can significantly boost visibility and attract buyers. Myth number 2. You should overprice your home to leave room for negotiation. Some sellers think pricing high gives them negotiation leverage. Truth. Overpricing can scare off potential buyer. A well-priced home generates more interest and often leads to multiple offers. Trust your realtor to find the right place. Myth number 3. Open houses are a waste of time. Many sellers believe open houses don't work. Truth. They can be a fantastic opportunity to showcase your home to potential buyers. Even if they don't make an offer right away, it helps generate excitement and interest in your property. Myth number 4. You should always accept the first offer. Some sellers feel pressure to accept the first offer they receive. Truth. While a strong first offer is exciting, it's important to evaluate all offers. Sometimes waiting for the right buyer can lead to better terms and a higher sale price. Myth number 5. You have to disclose everything about your home. Sellers often think they must disclose every little detail about their home. Truth. You're required to disclose material defects, but minor issues don't have to be shared. However, being transparent can build trust with the buyers. And there you have it, 5 sellers' myths exposed. Don't let this misconception slow your selling process. If you have questions or need guidance, drop a comment below or reach out to me. And make sure to subscribe for more real estate insights. Happy selling!